Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Freshsales CRM for contact segmentation step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Freshsales CRM website. Click on the sign up button located prominently on the home page. Fill in the required information to create your account. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation message from Freshsales. Click the confirmation link in your email to verify your account. Once verified, log into your Freshsales account using your credentials. Upon logging in, you will land on the Freshsales dashboard. Look for the Contacts tab on the left-hand side of the screen and click on it. In the Contacts section, you will see an option for Segmentation. Click on Segmentation to access the contact segmentation features. To create a new segment, click on the Add Segment button. You will be prompted to name your segment, so enter a descriptive name. Next, choose the criteria for your segment from the drop-down options. You can segment contacts based on attributes like tags, lead status, or custom fields. After setting your criteria, click on the Save button to create the segment. Your new segment will now appear in the segmentation list. To view or modify the segment, click on its name from the list. Here, you can add or remove criteria as needed. To use the segment for campaigns or emails, navigate to the relevant section. Select the campaign or email feature where you wish to use your segment. You will have the option to select your previously created segment. Once selected, finalize your campaign settings and proceed from there. Your contact segmentation is now set up and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.